in Delhi. I am here for 3 or 4 days. I am just near India Gate. I've got some 3-4 hours, so I just thought to visit Delhi, maybe India Gate and Red Fort. Not more than that. I traveled almost 20 hours yesterday from bus from Nepal to Delhi. Let's see. I will see you near India Gate. Thanks. This is the road for India Gate, and is there over there India Gate. Delhi is the most populated capital of the world, and the pollution had been reduced from before. When I came here in childhood, the pollution was too much. Now it is reduced. There you can see the India Gate. I will show you. The India Gate. I'll go near and show you. There are a lot of tourists, you can see. I didn't expect, I expected, but at afternoon time also there are too much traffic. And Delhi, I can feel pollution. It's okay. I will not spend too much time over here, as I have my flight today midnight, and I will be going to the Bangalore. I'm trying to vlog in English. My first vlog was in Hindi, then I vlogged in Nepali. Now I'm trying to do in English. Of Subhash Chandra Bose. I'll tell you some history. Before, the capital used to be Kolkata, then British shifted to Delhi. And this is Subhash Chandra Bose monument. So there are a lot of tourists. I can see mostly Indian tourists. There are people from southern part of India, the western part of India. Oh, this looks great. Even this. People are here with family, chilling. This is me enjoying my alone company. The weather is perfect actually. It's not too hot, not too cold. Nice. It's a huge monument. There are a lot of people. I'm going to the back side. Or maybe I was in the back side. I'm going to the front side actually to see. I will not spend too much time. I will not spend too much time because, as I said, I have flight to catch, and I don't want to be late. Maybe I'll go in airport and relax for a bit. Where the 26th January parade happens, from here to India Gate. The parade started from there, from Raj Bhavan. They walk from this road to India Gate. You see, gardens are actually very huge. The garden is huge. Family are here in the grass, chilling, seeing the India Gate. There is something written on it in top of India Gate. I don't feel able to read it. Oh, I don't think I will be able to read it. Fine. Yes, I think there is a way which goes to the other side. Yeah, this way. Fine, I'll go and see to the other side, how it's like. The time is already about to become 3. Not 3, the time is already 3:30 actually. Fine, I'll see the other side. This is while making a new capital. They have shown the new capital, how it was. Delhi in 1911 December, Delhi announced to a new capital during British rule. I don't know my voice is clear or not. You can see some pictures. You can pause and read it if you want. This is the other side of India Gate. I should be careful with my phone though. I should be careful with my phone though. There can be a lot of phone picker. This is the road where parade happens. It's good look. All the way from there, the parade starts from that building and goes till the India Gate in 26th January on Republic Day. You can see some portraits, many photographers trying to click the photos. It's nice. It's not like they're asking too much or forcing too much. It's okay. To figure out, can we go to the that side or not? If we can go, I will go. Let me see. It's possible. Yeah, I think we can go to that side also. We can go directly to that side. We don't need a underpass or something. Fine, we'll go to the other side. Oh yeah, we can go. You can see the rainbow just created by this what to say, vehicle. Oh my god, my phone. My phone, this vehicle just now created a rainbow. Oh, the rainbow is gone now. This is to keep the temperature cool in Delhi. I don't know whether it's recorded or not, but yeah, I have tried to show you just now a glimpse. It was a good, a good rainbow. I don't know till how much far I'll walk, or maybe I'll go to Red Fort or not. I'm literally so tired now. Delhi has, by the way, very much improved in the past few years. This spot is so empty. No one is over here. This man is looking what I'm doing with the camera. What to do? I'm trying to create a vlog. I don't know whether I will post it or not because I can't explore full Delhi. Okay, let's see how much I'll explore. I'll show you that much. This is me. You can look at my face. I'm damn tired. I think from next door I will take the exit. I have seen enough of the airport now. I will take the exit and maybe go to Red Fort. I will take a motorbike, maybe bike taxi, and go to Red Fort. That's why there are no people in this part. It's a bit shocking, but for me it's nice. I'm able to vlog properly. You can see India Gate in back of me. I've almost walked maybe 1 kilometer. I'm not sure, but I will show you guys. From you can see that Subhash Chandra statue. I almost walked over here. I don't know how much kilometer is that, but yeah, it's worth walking. But I have time till 6. Then I think I will go and get some food. I've not got some food for me. This angle is perfect. Yeah, fine. Let's see. People are walking from this to this side, and I am the only one who is going from this side. You can see everyone. And by the way, my watch tips has stopped working. I don't know what happened. Now it's an issue. To the Raj Bhavan, I will be getting. I booked an mobile. I'm saying a bike ride. Let's see at what time he arrives. My driver is literally that side. He need to take a round and come and pick me. It's going to take a while. I'm literally hungry. I've booked my ride for Red Fort. I think at least I need to cover Red Fort and India Gate. Other I will see. If possible, it's fine. If not possible, it's okay. By the way, it looks good. This is the entry of the Red Fort. I'll get a ticket for me and I'll just go around. The time is 4. I have 1.5 hours left. More for myself, just 50 rupees. And now let's enter. Time when British ruled India. Mughal. This is the time of Mughal Empire. Let's see how it is. Fair going. I think there is some, what is a Jhula in Hindi. I think some fair going on over there. I don't think I have a time to visit. And about the history of the Lal Killa, I'm sorry, I've read about it, but I have completely forgot. I know that much is a time when Mughal Empire ruled India, and this one, India Gate, was when British ruled India. Let's see if I find something, I will share you guys. For you guys for Lal Killa. I can see some foreign tourists as well. This is absolutely marvelous. The architect and all, great. So I've visited 2 out of 3 2 main places of Delhi. Let's see if I can finish another one or not. Find someone who can click my photo, but I should be really careful. He might be thief or he might be something. I know there's a stereotype about Delhi that you have to be careful. That's why I'm keep checking my purse. Is it alright? You should be really careful here. Just told the stupid man to click my photo. They just clicked my photo. The photo was, they didn't click the photo that good. Okay, it's okay, fine, I can manage. Let's see from where I can go inside, but the time is almost 4:30. I will spend more half an hour and I will just leave it. From where, I don't know from where I have to go inside. I think this is only the way to go inside. I will go. What to say, I just dropped my baggage. Or is the checking over here? I can see lot of guides over here. As obvious, they will be here. They will be here for tourists who want to explore. Now we'll go. I'm gonna go inside. You can see the fair is over there. Just a quick explore. This is the cannon. This is the cannon of the Mughal times. This is from the inside. Just now. Okay. Let's go inside. Let's see what I can find. He told me to come back by 5:30, but I will travel back by 5 only. Oh, the market. There is, here are some market. Let's see if I can find anything. Maybe a fridge magnet. That will be good, I guess. Yeah, fridge magnet will be good. If I find in cheap rate, I will surely purchase it. I just bought 2 fridge magnets for 100 rupees. Prices are actually low. It's okay, fine. 50 rupees for one fridge magnet. I bought it two, one of India Gate and one of Red Fort. That's enough. I should be careful of my belongings. Fine, I will see you that side. Welcome. This girl has just now told me to get some photographs. I got for her. I forgot to. I forgot to click the video off. It's fine. This will. I think it's gonna be nice. This is what it look inside of a Red Fort. Oh my god, my face is looks so tired as I am. In the music has started. I don't want a copyright claim, please. Don't give me a copyright claim. I just saw the map. It will take 30 minutes for me to reach. I don't know whether my audio is visible or not. I mean, my audio is audible or not. But it will take 30 minutes for me to reach Rajiv Chowk /CP. And what's going on? I don't know. There's some music playing on. You can definitely say this is some Mughal architect. This is definitely looking like a Mughal architect, and it is. It's fine. By the way, I'm a chair. Maybe there will be some performance in stage also. Maybe there will be some performance in the night time, maybe, or maybe it was done yesterday. I don't know. Let's see. But yeah, definitely I will not gonna watch it. Oh, maybe for that only the music system is kept for. Yeah, maybe. Now it makes sense. In Agra, I saw too many tourists. But here, I mean foreign tourists. But I didn't see as much foreign tourists over there. Don't know what's the reason. Maybe it's, I don't know. I saw some few foreign tourists, but not much. I expected to be more, but it's quite less. I don't know what's the reason, because when I visited Agra last 2 years back, almost 1.5 years back, there were a lot of foreign tourists actually, a lot. And when recently I did the Pokhara trip, that was almost 60-70% was they were foreigners, only few were Indians. Googled it. This monument was built 1640 by Shah Jahan. So how much? Almost 400 years old. This monument is almost 400 years old. Yeah, that's so. Yeah, it's actually quite historic. 400 years old. A kingdom. Yeah, it was a kingdom empire built by Shah Jahan. Yeah, by the who also made Taj Mahal, one of the 8 wonders of the world. I have already visited there. So its architecture also look quite same only. So 1643 to be exact it was built. So not maybe 380 years. Yeah, 380-85 years we had been already of this monument, Red Fort. Found something written over here. The Moti Masjid of the Trail Mosque was built Aurangzeb in the personal use. So this Moti Masjid was built by Aurangzeb, who is also a Mughal empire. Yeah, you can screenshot or you can pause and read it. This part quickly and I will leave for Jama Masjid, the nearest metro. Then I will take almost 5 to 6 minute walk for Jama Masjid metro station. Oh, it's okay. I think there's nothing new over here. I think I will leave it. Yeah, the time is almost 5 o'clock. Before getting night, I will leave it. I will leave this. Maybe if I got time, I will visit India Gate. You can see couples. I don't want to disturb them. Yeah, I was saying that night time the India Gate all look quite good. If I got time, I will just go. Otherwise, yeah, I will leave it. Let's see, because As I already told, I have done 20 hours traveling, that too in a bus. So the sleep is not good. And tomorrow also, my flight is almost at 3 in the morning. So you know that the sleep won't be proper. So yeah, this is the main two thing I covered. It's fine. Maybe some other thing I will do when I visit the next time. So yeah, I think I will see you near Jama Masjid. Right here look like a British architect, not like a Mughal architect. I don't know who made it. It doesn't look too old. I mean, yeah, it looked like a British architect. Maybe it is after independence also. I'm not sure. Okay, fine. Let's see. I'll exit. I'm getting late. Earlier I told you the monument was built on 1643. It was actually 1649. So, in exact 375 years of the monument built. I think the exit is in this place. I will take the exit soon. Oh, the sunset look good actually. Yeah. They gave me a slip actually. I don't know where I kept it. It was a pink slip. They told that it is required for me to take the luggage. I'm searching my pocket. Yeah. This is the slip I'm talking about. This is the pink slip. Without this, I will not get my luggage. There is my luggage, and let's see will I get my luggage or not. Calling me inside to take the luggage. It's calling me inside to take the luggage. I got the luggage. They took 10 rupees from me. Now I get to the nearest metro station and take my luggage. And I'll see you there. This is the market. It's too rush. So I think I get something or drink for me. Lemon drink from this stall. It took 30 rupees from me. Now I should be going to Chandni Chowk, which is straight from here. It's too difficult to cross the road over here. Oh my god. He told me to go straight, but I don't know how to find the road. This is the Red Fort, by the way. I should be careful about my phone. They can snatch it. Fine, once I cross the road, I will see you on the other side. I think from here we should cross the road. Chandni Chowk. The metro is straight from here. If there is something to show you, I will show you. Entry prohibited, so vehicles can't come, but I can see a lot of vehicles. I don't know my voice is audible or not. This is a Gurdwara over here, and I got myself a 4 pair of shoes, just rupees 100, so 25 per pair. It's a good deal. I think it's very cheap. This is a Gurdwara. I should judge the time is already 5:20. Fine, now directly I'll see you at Chandni Chowk. Yeah, by the way, I'm going to Chandni Chowk, it's not a Jama Masjid. This is the Chandni Chowk railway station. I don't know my voice is audible or not. Where is the entry? I'm not able to find the entry. Let's see. I'm here at metro station. It took me 20 rupees for the ride. Now I wanna go to platform 1, and my ride is just for 3 stop. Let's see. I think it will take around 7 to 10 minutes, not more than that. Towards platform 1. Oh, yeah, this side. The train has already arrived. Now I will go inside. I took a wrong turn. This is not the train. I have to go this side, but I went this side. Yeah, the train is also arrived. This is a huge metro station, almost 3-4 floors. I should go from exit 3. Yeah, from this side. From this side, I should go from exit 3. So currently, I'm in the Connaught Place. This is only called the Connaught Place. You can see Rado is there. There are some good brands. Resort, Rado. This only CP. And I will I'm leaving for airport now. You can see Porsche showroom. Fine, I will spend my almost whole day in Connaught Place only. I'll reach Shivaji Park with a metro station. I will continue the vlog. This is the station entry. There's one station to the entry this side. Let's ask him where's the station entry. मेट्रो किधर है? मेट्रो स्टेशन. Yeah, so this is the entry of the metro station. My battery is just 5%. I will probably reach airport and continue the vlog, because if my phone is dead, even my ticket is in my phone, so I can't help it. I will continue directly from the airport. Just now my battery got died and I charged. There's not even a single charging port working in Delhi airport. Not even a single one is working. Let's see whether they will give me early check-in or not. If they give me early check-in, I'll go and rest in the airport only. That's best actually for me, instead of resting here. But I just doubt that they'll give me early check-in or not. Let's see. Terminal 3, Terminal 2. Yeah, this way. Yeah, this way is the this is the airport. This is the Delhi airport. It is a night time and the airport is rush as usual. Let's see whether they will give me a early check-in or not. Is the 3:30 is AD. I have to go to AD, counter number AD. C is there, so I think it's over there. I'm flying in Air India today. So this is check-in economy. I think I will go check-in economy only. The line is not too much, but it's fine. Let's see they'll give me a early check-in or not. Any domestic flight, we have to go check in from here. Oh my god, the line is too much. Yeah, baggage drop. Let's see whether This international and this is domestic. The check-in, the time is already 11:30. He told me to come at 11:30 for the check-in. Let's see whether they will give me a check-in or not. By the way, you can see airports look quite busy. Now probably I will see you in departure, boarding gate only. This looks good on the airport. A giant elephant. By the way, you can see Air India counter is still packed. I think it will take one hour at least. It's a long queue over here, but a separate section for armed force. I am done with my security and everything. I asked for the window seat, but he did not give. I think he did not wanted to give because I'm almost 3 hours before the flight, and he is still saying he will not give the window seat. This is the duty free of Delhi airport. My gate is 27. I will now directly go to gate and see you guys. This is my gate 27. Now I will find one corner and probably sleep for 2 to 3 hours till 3 o'clock. Now time is 12:30. So this is my gate 27. I think I'll find one charging spot and I will sit over there only. Yeah, let's go. So boarding has started finally, but there is a long queue. I will board in some time and continue. I think I'll board. The line is, I can't speak now because I have not slept from 2 days. I will board after the line is over. Finally, we are about to board the plane. Now this is the plane, Air India.
प्लेन चढ़ेगा Even in 4 in the morning. This is the washroom. I like that it will show please lock the door and all. Fine. Finally I have landed in Bangalore. This is new Terminal 2 airport. It looks quite good. It's like a garden. They have made a garden everywhere. So fine. I will finish the vlog. I don't know what I'm saying because I've not slept from 2 days. So bye. This airport is actually very good. There's like plant and all inside. Let's see from outside. So yeah, this is what Bangalore Airport Terminal 2 look like. So from here I will end this vlog.